afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. As always, after 3, 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. Another brilliant week of learning and togetherness here at Westfield, and we're going to celebrate who has stood out in each class. We're going to go straight to Ducklings and find out which Duckling is Pupil of the Week.
This week we've picked Henry. Henry has really impressed us with how well his social skills are coming on, and we've been using some little cards to help develop children's speech and language, and Henry has really adapted well to using these and has made us very, very proud. Well done, Henry.
Really well done. And into reception, who in Puffin class and who in Wren class has been shining this week?
So this week we have chosen Summer, and we've chosen her because of her determination and her excellent learning behaviours in class. She's always got a can-do attitude and she never gives up, and this has been really impacting on her progress in her reading and writing. I love the way that she's applying her phonics independently now. I know that she's reading at home every single night and she's doing so well with her reading, and I know that Mum is also really impressed with how you're doing as well. So well done, Summer, keep it up.
This week's Pupil of the Week in Wren class is going to Alfie. Alfie, you are just a great friend to everybody. You are always doing we before me every single day you were in school, so well done for that. You have also been showing that you can do anything, and your can-do attitude is always there, even for those tasks that you don't want to do. You'll always give it a go, so we're super, super proud that you are doing that as well. So well done, Alfie.
Excellent, well done. And in year 1, which wagtail and which magpie has impressed?
Wagtail's Pupil of the Week this week is Dulcie. I've been so impressed with her attitude to absolutely everything she's doing. She's always following the Westfield Promise. Her learning is improving every single day. She is including all of the things that we need in each sentence, so her finger spaces, her capital letters and full stops. She's really decoding all of her words using her phonics skills, and even in her maths she's really thinking critically about her own learning and how she can improve on that. I'm also super duper impressed with her behaviour. The last few weeks she has consistently managed her distractions. She's always showing me active listening, and when somebody else is making a little bit of a mistake with their behaviour, she is straight away helping them turn it around and make good choices. So well done, Dulcie. I'm super proud of you. Every single grown-up that's worked with you has said the same, so well done, Dulcie. You should feel very, very proud.
Well, Magpie Pupil of the Week this week is Hunter. He's having such a fantastic learning experience. He is becoming much more independent in all his tasks and getting all the things he needs to do his tasks. He shows a lot of kindness towards others. He works with very many different partners, and he achieves lots of component coins at the moment. He shows himself to be everything of the school promise, determined to succeed, learning together, excellent in all he does, and encouraging himself and others. He inspires people to achieve the best, and he's really pleased with himself when he grasps a particular concept. And he's reading much more and completing all his homework, which is great to see. Keep going, Hunter. You're doing a fantastic job. Well done.
Excellent. On and up into year 2, let's find out now from Mrs. Q and Miss Broadbent, who are your pupils of the week?
So Heron Pupil of the Week this week is Ethan. Well done, Ethan. I can just see that you are trying so hard. You are in every lesson trying to be the best that you can be. And I'm particularly pleased with the connections that you're making in your learning. You're really just drawing out all the meat of every lesson and then connecting it to the previous lesson. Or you notice something in phonics and you might find a scientific word that has the diagraph in that we're looking at. And on top of that, you're making an extra special effort to include all of our vital vocabulary in your writing and when you're talking. That's brilliant. Really well done, Ethan. Proud of you.
Pupil of the Week in Robin class this week goes to Sophia. You are just such a kind, considerate and helpful member of Robin class, and this week you've just really shown to put others before yourself, and really following our promise of we before me, and really just looking after all of the children in Robin class. So well done, Sophia.
Excellent, really well done. And in year 3, let's find out about Skylark class and Sparrow class.
This week in Scarlet class, I have chosen Chanel as our Pupil of the Week, and I've chosen her because she has shown great determination in her SFA this week, and she's worked super duper hard on remembering the story and being able to retell the story to both me and Mrs. Thompson, who I know is extremely happy that she was able to do it. So well done, Chanel. Congratulations.
The Sparrow Pupil of the Week this week is Molly. Now, Molly is an absolutely exceptional student. She comes in every single day with a smile on her face, full of new information and an absolutely incredible attitude to learning. We notice this every single day, and we are so impressed with you, Molly, that we really want to say congratulations. You are doing a fantastic job. You were a super year 3 and you were an absolutely brilliant Sparrow.
Well done. And in year 4, let's move across the corridor and find out which mockingbird, and let's find out which raven have impressed this week.
Hello, thank you very much. My Pupil of the Week for Raven class this week is Chioma, who has been absolutely sensational this week and many weeks before. I'm really impressed with her learning attitude. She embodies the promise 100%. She's always trying to be the best that she can be. Particularly this week, she's produced so much great work. She's encouraging to others around her, and I'm so super proud of how much great work that she's doing at the moment. Really impressive, Chioma. Keep up the fantastic effort. Well done. Hello again. I've been given the great job of doing Pupil of the Week for Mockingbird class this week, and I have to say it's a great one. Jaden Bolton is Pupil of the Week for Mockingbird. He's been determined to succeed all week, worked hard in all of his lessons, been so encouraging to others, and is really, really embodying the best that he can be. Well done, Jaden. You're a fantastic example to Mockingbird class. Keep it up.
Really well done. And into year 5, which kingfisher and which kestrel?
Hello, my Pupil of the Week this week in Kingfisher class is George Chandler. Now, George is my Pupil of the Week because all this week he's had a really brilliant attitude to his learning. He has been working incredibly hard and produced some really, really excellent pieces of work. So, George, well done. Myself and Miss Egan have noticed all your hard work this week. We're really, really proud of you, really impressed with you. Keep it up next week.
Hi there. This week, Kestrel's Person of the Week is Ellie May. She is always doing the right thing, always offering support for her friends, either socially or academically, offering them help with anything that they're finding tricky. And it's just really lovely to see somebody so warm-hearted in the classroom. So well done, Ellie May.
And finally, in year 6, let's find out from Mrs. Reynolds and Miss Blake, who has really impressed, who's been working hard, being the best that they can be.
Thank you, Mrs. Kittle. From Starling class this week, our Pupil of the Week is someone who is always very dedicated to doing a really good job in the classroom. This person works really, really hard. They listen carefully. They're always paying attention to what we are doing in our lessons. Their work is very beautifully presented, and they really care about doing a fantastic job. Also, this person is very kind and very caring and is a really good friend. So we love having you in our classroom, Evie May. Congratulations.
Good afternoon. My Pupil of the Week this week in Eagle class is Emily Cox. You have been absolutely incredible since you've been back, obviously. But this week, actually, you've shown such compassion towards other pupils, and you've really, really supported everybody whenever they've needed it, without anybody actually asking you. You've shown concern for your peers, and you've actually shown that you are such a fantastic friend, and you're helping everybody around you at all points. You're showing a fantastic attitude towards your learning, and you're learning everything as you go because you are so conscientious. You're taking on board everything, you're having a go, and if you haven't got something quite right the first time, then I know that you'll persevere and you'll have another go, and you'll be fantastic, and you'll ace it. You have such a smile on your face, you're so positive in the classroom, and I love you being in Eagle class. Well done.
Really well done to each and every one of you.
The
Rockstars! How's it going? Really super excited this week because it was my class against Skylark. Ravens versus Skylark, and it was a great battle, but in the end, Ravens were victorious. I'll let you keep cheering. Keep cheering. Okay, now stop. Thank you. Really impressed with Oliver especially, who almost single-handedly won the entire thing from home. Really amazing work, Oliver. Thank you so much. Now, next week, who is it going to be? I've got a couple of helpers to help me. Pick one out. Pick one. Have a look at the name. Read it. Whisper. Starling. Starling is a first class year 6. Now pick another one out. You pick one. You pick the other one. Now tell me. Whisper. Kestrel at the other class. Thank you so much, guys. Kestrel at the other class. Starling versus Kestrel. Who is going to be victorious in this battle? You've got to be involved. Get on TT Rockstars. Do your absolute best. Let's go, people. Rock on. See you next week.
Now, our staff member of this week is somebody who really cares, has a huge amount of passion for what she does, and has had an absolutely excellent week, which has been recognised externally. Mrs. Dale, thank you for leading our early years provision with such tenacity. You are always showing commitment. You want the best for your children. You have integrity and professionalism, and we are really lucky to have you here at Westfield. So really well done for all that you have achieved this week. Absolutely fantastic. Well, Westfield, have an absolutely fantastic weekend. Somebody is just by my feet, and I think they want to say hello. Bear with me. It's Frazzle. Say hi, Frazzle. Thank you, Westfield, for welcoming Frazzle. He did his first gate duty this morning, and he was absolutely brilliant. So, Frazzle, can you look and say goodbye, Westfield? Have a lovely weekend. See you all soon. Bye.